Hi, welcome to Mischyfs. I'm Monique, and I'm dehydrating chocolate mint today. Stay tuned to see how I dehydrate the chocolate mint. It's a pretty easy thing to do. Let me tell you a little bit about my chocolate mint plant. I had no idea there was such a thing until about 5-6 years ago. I found one at a store and thought I was interested. I'd take it home and see what it looked like, what it did, what it tasted like. I was actually looking for a peppermint mint, but I couldn't find one, so this was a nice alternative to try. And ever since then, I fell in love with the plant. During summer, I usually make iced chocolate mint tea, and it's very refreshing. It's cool, and it tastes like mint with a little hint of chocolate. And during winter, I make hot mint tea. Again, a very warm, refreshing kind of a drink when on those days that you need a little bit of a push to get through. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you'd like to see more of these videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.